Good morning, students. How are you all? And I hope you are all fine. So, in our last class, we have discussed about the different problems in exercise 11.4, the different problems based on that expressions. You know that what is meant by expression, and before that expression, we have seen that how to arrange the pattern. So, these are the things so far we discussed. In today's class, we are going to solve the remaining problems in the exercise 11.4. Okay, that exercise problem 11.4. Okay, so the exercise problem 11.4. In my last class, I gave that homework problem C, right? So I hope you all did that problem. So anyway, I will revise that problem whether you can check the answer whether you done correct or not. Okay. Okay, the question is a rectangular box has height 8 centimeter. Its length is 5 times that height and the breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Express the length and the breadth of the box in terms of the height. Okay, so first one, a rectangular box has height 8 centimeter. So rectangular box, okay, so this kind of you have to draw. Actually rectangular box is a three-dimensional figure, so I did this kind of drawing, and you have to mention height is 8 centimeter. So this height equal to 8 centimeter, and what they given, the length of the rectangular, here its length is 5 times the height and the breadth is 10 centimeter than the length. So length is 5 times the height, so 5 times the height means 5 into h. Okay, and the breadth is, so length equal to 5 into h means 5h. Okay, and the breadth, so and the breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. So the breadth is 10 centimeter and less than the length. So 10 centimeter less than the length. Okay, so L minus 10, right? So L equal to what's the value? 5h. So 5h minus 10. Okay, students, can you understand? So this kind of only we have to write. Okay, so the given problem you have to read it twice and then understand the problem and find that length and then breadth. Okay, so thank you all, those who are all did that problem, and thank you for that persons. Okay, anyway, the remaining problem I'm going to do. Okay, the next problem is Meena, Beena, Leena are climbing the steps to the hill top. First one, Meena is at a step yes, and Beena is 8 step ahead and Leena is 7 step behind. What are the Beena and Meena? The total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times that Meena has reached. So express the total number of steps using yes. Okay. Okay, the first question you have to know that Meena, Beena and Leena. So the persons are first one. Here I will write one diagram. Okay, so one, two. So this kind of step is going. Like imagine. Okay, first one, Meena, Beena, Leena. So just imagine somewhere Meena is here. Okay, Meena, Beena, Leena. So Meena and Beena somewhere here. Okay, and here Leena. Okay, so first one, that Meena's position is Meena is standing at the step which is called yes. Okay, Meena is at the position of yes, and here what about Beena? Beena is 8 step ahead. So 8 step ahead means, so here 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. So likewise it will go 8 step. Okay, so 8 step ahead means, so Beena is 8 step ahead means yes plus 8. Okay, this is Beena's position. Okay, and Leena's position 7 step behind means, so 7 step behind means we have to subtract that from that Meena's position. That means yes minus 7. Okay, and one more question they asked. Okay, the top of the hill is, see here that what is the top of the hill is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. So 10 less than what Meena has reached means, so first one 10 less than means, so you have to write minus 10 less means, and what Meena has reached, that means here 4 times what Meena has reached, 4m minus 10. So this is your answer. Okay, so I rub this one. So pause the video, kindly please note it. Okay, the next one, a bus travels v kilometer per hour. It's going from Daspur to Bispur. After the bus has traveled 5 hours, Bispur is 20 km away. So what is the distance from Daspur to Bispur? Express it using V. So first one, first I'm going to draw one bus. Okay, 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 in this kind of, just imagine it. Okay, so Daspur to Bispur. Okay, a bus is traveling at the speed of v kilometer per hour. So v kilometer per hour. Okay, and then it is going at the speed of v kilometer hour till 5 hours. Okay, so till 5 hours it is going. So that means after 5 hours how much distance it covered means, see here it will take time 5 hours, that means 5 kilometer it will cover. Okay, can you understand? After 5 hour, for example it is coming at 1 kilometer per hour means, just imagine 1 kilometer in 1 hour. Okay, so that means we can say in within that 1 hour it will cover 1 kilometer. Okay, so okay, 2 kilometer per hour means within that 1 hour 2 kilometer can be covered. So that means likewise here v kilometer they covered, but the time 5 hour they given. So that means after 5 hour the position is 5 into what is the bus speed of the bus, v. So 5v. Okay, so 5v, that much distance can be covered by the bus. Okay, can you understand? So 5v. Okay, so simply we have to multiply 5r into kilometer per hour, v kilometer per hour, r cancel, so 5 into v. and still 20 kilometer is there to reach Bispur. Okay, so Bispur position here, still 20 kilometer is there. So already the distance is 5v and still 20 kilometer means what is the total distance? So 5v plus 20. Okay, so at actually the bus is coming at some kilometer per hour. So after 5 hour means that much distance it can cover. So simply you have to multiple with that variable and then constant. So we will get 5v and still 20 kilometer away, which means that so we have to add it from the previous one. That means 5v plus 20. Okay, so next one. Okay, so change the following statements using expressions into statements in an ordinary language. So already they given one statement, that means which is in the terms of expressions. Okay, so we have to write in terms of normal language. How can we write in the normal language? So first one, a notebook cost. See, already one example they given, so that you can read by yourself. A notebook cost p, a book cost is 3p. Okay, so given statement is a notebook cost, a notebook cost is p, a book cost is 3p. So this kind of they given. Now how sir we can write in terms of normal statement? So when you have to know that in the normal statements we should not write that variable like letters. Okay, we should not write the letters p, q, r. So that kind of x, y, z we should not represent it. So instead of that we have to write direct statement. Okay, I will write one thing and then for the further examples you might know. So first one, a book cost is 3 times, a book cost is 3 times more than the notebook. Okay, can you understand students? A book cost is 3 times more than the notebook. Okay, so this kind of we have to write. So here I didn't mention any variable, so simply I did that one statement. Okay, kind of. Okay, next one, Tony puts Q marbles on the table. He has 8 Q marbles in his box. Okay, how can we write Tony? First one, Tony puts Q marbles on the table. He has 8 Q marbles in his box. Okay, first one, Tony has 8 times of marbles Tony has 8 times of marbles okay, the Tony has 8 times of marbles, then the marbles present on the table, marbles present on the table. Okay, can you understand? Tony has 8 times of marbles, then the marbles present on the table. Okay, this kind of we can write. Okay, the next problem is here our class has n students, the school has 20 n students. Our class has n students, the school has 20 n students. So the total strength of the school is the total strength of school is the total strength of school is 20 times than the